Today we're converting an Alliance MD2 from the older Mueller valves to the newer Elbi valves. Step one is to remove the Mueller valve and all of its hoses. I'll leave you here. Once you have that out, you'll want to install your new Elbi valves and follow the provided diagram to run your hoses. Take care not to kink the hoses. Once that's done, you're going to have to hook up the wires. It's easier than it looks. Step one, just find your neutral wire. In this case it's blue. Hook it to the same side of every solenoid. Once that's done, you're going to want to locate wires V4 and V5. V4 goes to the center of your cold valve. V5 goes to the center of the hot. After that, you're going to want to locate wire V2. That one gets split to left and right on cold. After that, you're going to want to locate wire V1. That one gets split to left and right on your hot side. I have all of the relevant part numbers here. The conversion kit comes with the 115 volt valves. If your machine uses 220 volt valves, you'll have to get those separately. You can check the Mueller valves on your machine. The solenoids are generally labeled with the voltage. This is everything that comes in the Alliance conversion kit.